I can post shit for you because it's an email address from one of mine. Yeah, come on ahead and join the team. Shouts out to Heather though. We gonna thumbs up her video from the cultivation channel. From the cultivation channel, you dig? She's definitely almost on at that 2K point. Cut her sound off though, so y'all ain't gonna be still in the game. Y'all gotta go over there and watch the video. Hell, shouts out to that video though. But anyways, y'all seen the buy me a coffee? It's been on and cracking, crackalating. Let's see, the J Jordan came through, dropped some coffee the other day. Appreciate that. Y'all know to go check him out. He had a live on this morning. Y'all know the J Jordan be active. Go check out Bro. Look like Izzy Pop been through here. That was a couple months ago though. But hell, you know, she keep rolling through on the regular. She did hit the Cash App last month, so I'm making her a video to thank her, which, if y'all know me, it's going to be a great video. So, shout out to Izzy Pop. And Catlin came through also. Then, of course, you going to see my video sponsors because they stay over here on my Buy Me a Coffee. If I don't win something over there, they just buy me coffee anyways because they the sponsors. You dig? Shouts out to NFG. That was me paying me to do my job. You see what I'm saying? Because as a business owner, I am responsible for paying myself at some point in time, which I might need to get on that because 7 months ago was a long time for me to not be paying myself. Like, man, boy, I might need to update that. Y'all gonna have to help me pay me, right? Hey, it's cool. I'm about that life. See, because not only am I actually out here active, but hell, I'm gonna make sure y'all get the money to pay me anyways. You see what I'm saying? Because that's what your monetization coach does. Shouts out to being a monetization coach. Let's go look at that. Let's go look at that. Let's go see that right there. Right? Hit that shop button because I believe it's over here. If not, it's down in the commissions. Because you see what I'm saying? Buy me a coffee is that deal. You see what I'm saying? It's got everything you need to be monetized as if you were on YouTube getting their monetization benefits without them taking 30% of your bread, though, right? YouTube is cool for being a platform, but they're also taking 30%. So hey, 30% is a major number. Buy me a coffee, I actually heard it was less than what I thought it is. So you definitely want to get over here because 3 to 5% on transactions from buy me a coffee is cool. The only thing that I heard that actually costs more money is since we got to use Stripe for payouts. That's the other part of the money. That's why it's about 8% total because yeah, it's about 4% Stripe, 4% to buy me a coffee. Other than that, you good to go on the monetization over there. Cause YouTube, hey, we gonna be on the platform, be bopping and rocking steady, cause that's where we at. Shouts out to that micro business class. You see this? We got this infused banana pudding. It's a recipe. It's probably free for members, but you see what I'm saying? It's only $2.68 for that recipe to begin with. So, so you dig? It's a good recipe and it's an infused recipe, which is why it's not free because you know it's for adults for adult fun time. So you definitely want to invest in yourself, right? You dig? So you know you respect things you pay for apparently. So that's why that one's on there like that. But anyways, let me see where it's at. We was talking about the YouTube coaching, concentrates review. Yeah, that's the list. That's free for members. The net 30 business accounts. Yep. That's a freebie. See, we got freebies on here. Y'all should be on my Buy Me a Coffee picking up the freebies. I keep telling y'all this. That's the only thing you're going to hear me repeat for free is that y'all got some free items and need to go pick them up ASAP. I should be getting the email saying such and such picked up this, boom. Such and such picked up this, boom. Such and such picked up this, boom. Then guess what it's gonna give me? It's gonna give me y'all email address, and I can give y'all free memberships. So then you can get the membership pricing on things also. So boom. Then as a member, you come back and pick up the things that were free for members. Oh my God, he